for northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 11:15 p.m. At 7:12 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Salem, Willingboro, London, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Riverside, Bordentown, Beverly, and Allentown. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 5 and 7A, Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 349 and 359, Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 31 and 40, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 42 and 57. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. Most flood-related deaths occur in automobiles. Do not attempt to cross water-covered bridges, dips, or low-water crossings. Never try to cross a flowing stream, even a small one, on foot. To escape rising water, find another route over higher ground. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and